provided, and as long as both mean only if. A very strong form of if. For example, you can enter the United States only if you have a valid visa. Now, let's change only, if and in, to provided. You can enter the United States, provided you have a valid visa, only if equals provided, or we can also use as long as. In this example, you can enter the United States as long as you have a valid visa. Very simple. Now you try. Change this sentence. So there is the word provided in it. You can take the books from our library only if you pay the monthly fee. Let's see. We change only if into provided, and we get, you can take the books from our library provided you pay the monthly fee. And now change the sentence. So there is as long as in it. You can take the books from our library as long as you pay the monthly fee. Let's try a more difficult example. Change it. So there is the word provided in it. I will help you with your homework, but you shouldn't tell anyone about this. Let's see what we have got. I will help you with your homework, provided you don't tell anyone about this. Only if you don't tell anyone about this. Now put as long as in this example. Okay, I will help you with your homework as long as you don't tell anyone about this. As long as you don't tell anyone equals only if you don't tell anyone. One more example. You can't get your teeth fixed if you don't go to the dentist. Put provided in the sentence. You can get your teeth fixed, provided you go to the dentist, okay? Now put as long as in the sentence. You can get your teeth fixed, as long as you go to the dentist. Provided means only if. As long as means only if. That's it for now. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned.